I have a gold mine of health in my fist. Want to know what it is? Here. Not this, but this. Fenugreek seeds or methi ke dane. Methi leaves are extremely popular, especially methi ke parathe. However, as I was researching on methi seeds, I was extremely surprised to find the umpteen health benefits that fenugreek seeds offer. They are hypoglycemic, they have anti-inflammatory properties, they help to relieve constipation, and they have anti-cancer effects too. And that's not all. Namaskarams and welcome back to Munch and Mull. Keep watching. As I said, methi leaves are extremely popular and methi seeds or fenugreek seeds are often used in small quantities as a spice. But today we are going to be making a recipe with methi seeds where we are going to be using methi seeds in a much larger quantity. And so we are going to be making a South Indian recipe called Vendhaya Kulambu or methi seed curry. Vendhaya Kulambu goes very well with dosa, chapati and of course wonderful with rice. Now here I have taken half a cup of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds. This is about 6 tablespoons. I have soaked the fenugreek seeds overnight, or at least you should soak it for 6 hours, and I have taken about 2 glasses of water. And I will be filtering this, and this water could be used for watering the plants or it could be drunk. So now let's strain the water. And we'll allow the fenugreek seeds to sprout so that it increases the nutrient content. So look at the color of the water. It's extremely nutritious to drink this. Specific to lactating mothers, fenugreek seeds are known to have precursors to stimulate breast milk production. So it's very important for lactating mothers to include fenugreek seeds as a part of their daily diet. Here are some more juicy tidbits about fenugreek seeds. The maple aroma and flavor of fenugreek has led to its use in imitation maple syrup. Flour supplemented with 8 to 10% of fenugreek dietary fiber has been used in the production of baked goods such as bread, pizza, muffins and cakes. Let's look at the ingredients required to make the Vendhaya Kulambu or fenugreek seed curry. 1 cup of soaked fenugreek seeds. Here I have sprouted them. Sprouting is optional. 1 cup of grated carrot. 1 cup of tomato puree, 1 cup of fresh grated coconut, curry leaves, 1 small green chilli, peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of jaggery, sesame oil and salt to taste. Instead of grated carrot, you could use grated beetroot or grated red pumpkin. These vegetables are used to offset the bitterness of the fenugreek seeds. Many people who are under alternative medicines like Ayurveda or Siddha are advised not to use tamarind. Otherwise, to make this kulambu, generally tamarind is used. So, half a lemon sized ball of tamarind could be soaked for about 1 hour and then the pulp could be used to make this. But here in this recipe, I am using tomato puree instead of tamarind. We will be grinding the fresh grated coconut, 1 small chilli, curry leaves and pepper. So let's start making the Vendhaya Kulambu. I am adding about 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and now we'll add this fenugreek seeds, add the grated carrot. Let's saute this for about 5 minutes. So now let's add the tomato puree, and if we are not using the tomato puree, the tamarind pulp. Let's add 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, and now we'll add the ground mixture. Salt to taste, add water to slightly make it more liquidy. Now this needs to be boiled for about 5 minutes. If you are using tamarind pulp, then this needs to be cooked for a slightly longer time so that the raw tamarind flavor goes away. So here our Vendhaya Kulambu or fenugreek seed curry is ready to be had. Fenugreek seeds are indeed a wonder herb. Fenugreek seeds contain hormone precursors that increase breast milk supply, so it is a very important supplement that lactating mothers must have. Treatment with fenugreek extract has been shown to inhibit growth of breast, pancreatic and prostate cancer cells. A diet containing fenugreek seed powder also decreased colon tumor incidence. It is known to significantly decrease the quantity of calcium oxalate deposited in the kidneys. Interestingly, it has been traditionally used to treat kidney stones in Saudi folk medicine. Fenugreek seeds have antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties too. It is a wonder remedy to lower blood sugar in diabetics. The high fiber content helps to relieve constipation and also helps in weight loss and helps to lower blood cholesterol too. And that is not all. Fenugreek seeds are also a rich source of potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, including vitamin B1, B2, B6, B9, and believe it or not, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 in fenugreek seeds is a surprise because it is generally found only in food from animal sources. Having seen the plethora of health benefits that fenugreek seeds offer, I am actually very inspired. Given so many benefits, is it not important for all of us to include fenugreek seeds in much larger quantities into our everyday life? So does this motivate you to use unconventional ingredients to make unconventional recipes? Leave your comments below.